setting an inspiring example of leadership and discipline. At the forefront, we have our head boy and head.
You are, whatever responsibility you are having at your family level, for your parents, at your school, at your classroom, at the sport.
Special performance. This song may not speak of patriotism, yet it carries a message just as meaningful. It reminds us that each one of us is unique and wonderful in our own way. Our talents, our differences, and our individuality together make a world a brighter place.
My eyes are blue, my eyes are green, my eyes are brown, they're part of me. I speak English, I speak Urdu, I speak in Yoruba. How about you? We're all amazing, all these parts of me. We're all amazing, all these parts of you. We are different, each of us. It's what makes us precious. So love yourself. We're all amazing. My hair is short, my hair is straight, my hair is curly, it's really great. Sometimes I'm quiet, sometimes I shout, sometimes I'm giggly. There is no doubt that we're all amazing, all these parts of me. We're all amazing, all these parts of you. We are different, each of us. It's what makes us precious. So love yourself. We're all amazing.
May I request the audience to kindly encourage them?
नाम है माननीय मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज 26 जनवरी वह ऐतिहासिक दिन जब 1950 में हमारे देश का संविधान लागू हुआ और भारत एक वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहान रू जहां में याद रहे तू, मैं जहान रू जहां में याद रहे तू, ए वतन
But it is indeed an honor for me to be here. And Honorable Dr. Swarnalata Rao, teachers, parents, students, used missiles in the previous Op Sindoor also. It was the war with against terrorism that the Indian Army and Air Force took part in. The missiles were new to me. I was an army officer, deputed, but I decided to do my homework. Every evening I used to study, so that tomorrow morning when I go to my office, people feel that this man knows something about missiles also. I was so good at it that in the Kargil operations, when there was a problem with the missiles, they called me back. They said, please come, bring your team and help us because these missiles are not firing. When I went there with my team, we saw that they were making some small mistakes. We corrected it and then we had to demonstrate. If you know, in Kargil, the Pakistanis had occupied the mountains on top and they were firing down at us. It was very difficult. Many people got killed. We lost more than 400 people. That's what Madam was saying, that so much of sacrifices are made because we wanted to protect our country. And then when the missiles were repaired, we had to show them that they are actually repaired. So they said, please fire and show. Now who will fire it? Because you are being shot. That is when I said I will do the first firing. Because as a soldier, you must lead from the front. I myself took position, saw that I have 2 minutes in which to fire, got my team, we fired the missile, showed them, and ran back into cover. That is how you can use your time to become an expert in whatever you are doing. I finished with BDL and then I was again in the education field. I was teaching in something like yours, but it was a college. Yours is a school.
यहाँ विविधता में एकता और एकता में विविधता है। यहाँ की संस्कृति ही इसकी धरोहर है।
What a spectacular performance. It's a sheer visual treat. Give them a round of applause. The audience, hold on your breath. These girls are from Western country, representing Gujarat. The Jalwa of Punjabi boys, presenting you the northern state of our country. Stands number 1 in the literacy rate of our country, presenting you the very heart of our southern country. Different, but we are all united for one cause, that is I request everybody to give a final round of applause. This was the biggest performance of today's event, Republic Day.
Achievers.
Greetings to all on the 77th Republic Day. May I request the guests, dignitaries to kind guests. At Alabia School, we remain committed to holistic development, encouraging our students to participate and excel in all performances across all the Shravani. Third prize goes to Harshan Gaur. And the consolation prize goes to Bhargav Mangalpuri. These are the prize winners from Flighty Frogs. Moving on to Dynamic Dolphins. First prize goes to Manvita. Second prize goes to Mayuka Srinivas. Third prize goes to Sharanya. Second prize, Shanvika Patel. Third prize, Janvi. And the consolation prize to Lohit. On the stage we have Tiny Turtles receiving the prizes from the chief guest, followed by Playful Pandas, Ira, Shanvika, Janavi and Lohit. Next may I call upon Bright Bunnies. First prize goes to Shruti Manaswini. Second prize, Shloka Reddy. And third prize is taken by Viresh. Advai. First place, may I call upon the winners under 14 who received the gold medal. Bhavya Shri. Bhavya Shri from 9th, Sai Dhanish, Sai Prajwal, Harshit. These are the team. This is the team which bagged the prize. Bhavya. The chief guest and the best batsman by Dhanish. Best bowler Bhavya and best batsman Dhanish. With pride, gold medal, Prince, Sai Pranav, Naga Shashi.
Grade 11, you can spread wide. Grade 11, 8. I request the council members also.